mbrani sewo. Jesus say wonkotona ye sewo tuntun kafu sewo. Aye 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 udini wuso. Yeah 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 munyami mami mwani dina. Oh yeah mi chem mi haini mi katabu. Adom Mary my yes way udini wuso. Aye 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 udini wuso. Yeah 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 munjami mami pejano. Oh yeah mi chem mi haini mi katabu. Adom Mary my yes way udini wuso. Oh yeah mi chem mi hani katabu mi hani katabu. Adom Mary my yes way udini wuso. Oh yeah mi chem mi hani mi katabu. Adom Mary my yes way udini wuso. Eja himbiani wa otisewo. Tena utumfu biani wa otisewo papa. Mepo udina bombrani ashe udiani nyamla makase. Amana manyina nyankopon newo. Otumfwe okateche. Toto bonso chidi ampompa mini udin papa. Munjami mami mwani mbrani minsane mbrani nkafune tintuntune minkase. Onumkwani obwadi ati. Oh yeah miche. Oh yeah miche. Mi haini mi katabu. Mi katabu. Adom Mary my yes way udini wuso. Otiti butan nyankopone. Ewunta hunu wuwu yewo. Wananza podo wananka su papa. Nyatiti na pro wiyeri yeyo. Udini ntiye wufu soryo. Frefreta mbrenya miye peja wo. Jehovah nisi. Okateche osaberima. Okokroko burum bum 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 bum. Jesus say udini fatao. Jehovah nisi. Okateche osaberima. Okokroko burum bum 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 bum. Jesus say waye fatao. Eja benkumye nifa. Epweni atoye. Obieni wa oni ose. Maria 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 Monyami. Tumfobiani wa oni uso. Inti meba wudina bombrami akamfu washe wenyum nyamaka se chidiampo nyankupane. Chidiampo nyankupane. Ototo boso nyankupane. Hallelujah. Dibiani wa oni uso. Obini uso. Eje hoinzi fatawo. Hoinzi fatawo. Wenyum nyam fatawo. Amen, amen. Meshe wenyum nyam. Meshe wenyum nyam. Unyami mami mboni di. Aye, aye, aye. Udini wuso. Udini wuso. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Unyami mami mboni dina. Oh, yeah, miche. Oh, yeah, miche. Mi haini mi kata.
Masheda ama wonyom ahodo miensa na oka enyom no emiensa nyina bomu a de kasa de kai osofo manikuri ene elder Dr. Akwasi Emreko kase werade ena esese mede menase mentrontrom menkamfo ede mawo na yenua ba kekele so etoa so esese ye bonise na mede Dr. Equia Mary Ganza enso so atoa so a ono so kegumu se erade hwie wonhira efegu memeso ene yen yeso soka eniema miensen bomu a begiri yese enonkwa ya semfu a obetimi di anante na wotwi minimidi ohwehwe free nyameti asefo no Paulo kasano oka simbi eto ho amenyina kwa we se so ma wakwa ba mo Facebook mo radio so mo YouTube obetumi aka kire Erade se Erade fie wonhira na fie wonhira fagumeso wan sem mpo nhira na ebetumi amawa yeyi so ukwati Erade nsem enhira eti anopei abra menomie no yewahai obetumi abie wano na wode na sie trontrom kamfo amano Prince Opoko Kiswa Mary Dolzy Toblu Ama Champoma Juliana Nyakwa wa Germany Yones Quarten Addition Coffee Symbol okay Ama Bianca Tete Kwesi ya sebe amakum ahemfie wana wa na ze wudin no wudin Nelson Boatin Professor good morning list no doso me hwe wo mo a omo wo Facebook no na make kebi wonso our radio so better na menya wudin. Okay, quickly, you can send your name to me, what radio so 0509151010. You can quickly just send your name to me. Senyamia ma de pebi achi ene asedane de bema no. So for free ata ha. Odi for ba so ewa ha. Sasu. Today mo me WhatsApp group no me send a Adom Paya as will be our bo now we say e was so 1 Corinthians chapter number 2 the verse number 9 but mami can free verse number 8 the we see a tumfo mu biara enhunu na se wo hunu ya anka wa mo enwonyam wura no asennuamu tiene bio die ewiasi etumfo mu biara enhunu na se wo hunu ya enko wa mo enimonyam gura no asenduemu wonim se mene omi enu ya tamfo a omotwe ye ho ahia no omunnim se de omo ye no nyamede bebe abaye yi eno na Paulo eka waso se die ewiasi etumfo omu biara wankase bi hunu ye die ewiase etumfo mu biara none of the rulers of this age understood this, for if they had, they would not have crucified the Lord of glory. Senka enipen nimwa se wo mu pie wo pushu didi watem no se ebe mo atena siye no atoto wo ne ya senka wukunu no a ogya wo no se no nim se ogya wo ena wo ba be ye a enko enja wo arutina sense a wo ne ogya ye no Who say Encrofo and Wakasa, na ya. If it's a wording, say, O Jawam Wabodam, Ujawam Wu, Ujawam Wenimaguasi. Sana dear, now within a year, Jumano. No, Junisi were you a dear. We yarn on a yadia, will bet me a sorry bioda. But no names a sana, Wohonomadano, may delay na would delay. Because then I may person started while company be. And so, in the midst of the frustration, frustrating you know, ye were dear year where yano, and a mouse shas, yes, any Miami BM school. Macastre. Because I never be on a fire, brabo fire sitting. Say, Ufia would and tua and Kaukra and Quankotasa. A dear beer at 2 year we are Sibiano. Ya one of my children. Woman named the baby Pierre free one back. Dear a real seer tomb for Mubiara and Huno. Nasenka Wohunoya and Kawamo and the Bonyam would no ascendium. What was a Sankaseta and them say? Wokuma Yesu and a meme Owusu Ansah me baba Jia Radia dia. Enkuma Yesu. And Kankanyadi obekuma Yesu da. Enkuma prostitute, what do you say prostitute be? Eba baba Jia Radia dia. Through the death and the resurrection of Christ. Etebusia, dia wone mu biano. Fa show hun kran say. Matamfu nim de nyame be fa de menemu yi eba beye. Dia wo bia adwuma wo de ne to ano a wo se wagyan na company ni begu no so oni se wo bi nso so ebenya employment a go anyai and as I say back e bo the car you yema show because never think say the wo ye ne you know it is going to collapse somebody's business and I will be shut you will be any bonyam down no and you are ignorant you don't know. One sorry ba we ya me no kasa wo timini se na unim se wugya sorry a obi nso firi wo fie baba ya sorry panyin wo ba bia wugya ye no a eko anyai I will say adwene ho ansa na ne me ne wakọ yenim na ya dwoada nyamete asefo no ayama yen de wiase mu atumfo mu biara nhunu na se wo hunu ya enka wa mo animonyam wura no asenuemu Chichemu ayankro. 1 Corinthians chapter 2. Ronto fonguma edikan. Etia eye mieno. Njichemu ayangotwe na makenka na sa no. Chichemu aya enkro no. Wasi ne mom sade wa twere se. Die ani enhunu ye. Na die asonson ye. Na emma enipa akoma muda. Ene nuoma wo nyankopon asiesie ama won a wodo wo no no die ne bio die ani hunu ye die asonson teye die enuoma pa emma akoma mu da no ene onyankopon asiesie enti me no me no ye nenam wo nyina e wo ne ma nyame asiesie di ama ye ne a ye ne be hunu ya so betie e be wura ya komam twere sa ne ma me yansa no to ho ye wo dia Wani be huna de pa waso bete asempa ena niema pa ba be wura wakomam wa na siesie ye enye omampanyini enye MP enye assemblyman enye ukunu enye woyire enye osofo panyini ewurade siesie niema ahodo miensa de mani hunu da de masonte da de nwura makomam da anopai fagidie gisansem miensen de mani hunu da de masonte da de mama koma muda ewrade asiesie e de amame. Can you just capitalize on this word and begin to thank him? Fagidie dana se wonim se ewrade ene ma mani hunu da de masonte da de mama koma muda no ewrade wasiesie de amame. Can you be grateful to that? And on your birthday, I know your birthday, dear Tias, yes, dear, when you know that there was Sunday, that when you may baba ye at the amount. Guten Morgen. Ich lebe dich doch. Felix Medase, so what you me. Doris, good morning. And Doris Ochre, Tricia. You want to baby, I just begin to bless God. You want to know that you are sent that. Susanna, also what came one walk Good morning. Ewo Krubeso. Susanna, good morning. For listening to me on the radio. On send it on WhatsApp. You are good. You are good. Comfort up here. Also London. All right. On radio. Okay. Good morning to all of you. I will just mention. And now we're sorry. Yeah, the Nyamias in a mom sorry, and I remember mom opportunity. How was the atmosphere? What was the experience after many months? I am a junior horse and then may and Miensa. Would you say Nyamia Dumois this month your Father's Day? So we begin to talk about fathers. One of Papa and to say, Ugu Papa anymore. And now Papa. And pay. Would you cause for us to the Benjamin? That you said the name one that they are son teda. And she may be a phone line. Wow, cross or sorry, Ben, I'll call you. Okay, an environment to say, and why it in hands and you when you may, and Adom Believers Chapel. Professor Yaw from Porkai. Was the idea baby a year called a young cohorter, and so Radis a foundations, you know. Foundations, you know. Now, yet the nurses, you know, young social distancing. Bible now, Joshua chapter 3. Was the word, Mama Montemontete, Namo Kobe be among Koda. Etano pay Abraham no yeri when ameti as a phone anyway. Facts experience after many 3 months, right? 2 or 3 months. Young sorry. Okay, sorry not to say. I want you to share with me your experience. How was the feeling? How was the feeling? To maybe near negatives in Kwa, but you see, you need to thank God. And you may be one when you may know what I say. I rather me das, papa. Happy birthday to my daughter, Queen Shrenchi, my last born. Yo, Urago Fienchi, Mate, Mazafo, Mate, Chiamofa, Cinnamon. I pay and maybe a line of button son and my mamma may suffer Mompa and my say Nyame Wama de Pachi over here, Yania Bushias or my Ghana, your mam penny, and Ankran Cran, one Amokwe Juma, Menamquas, and Hononco Foreman and Amquas be Braque Juma, Ubia Copebi, be a baba, bidi, a binamo share mask, a bin so shibby, will be a cock, a radical cry, and no boy, Hobano, and Sonny, and I am Pimboba. Mami di for Sasu Bompae.
Brian, that was no pain so. When you're near, Yakoda died so be a woo. A mere do and a rad when you're near. One mad the patchy. A binamo common maso. When you're home, concon, send a bedding kunim, your baconia sing back. Just say a woo. Yes, slow bambo. A rather baby beer or be annam. Mamunkum catanoso. Over a fano cock. Na fan bra mi jai Ghana mangana muni penye na sha wonsa honhon konkron a we yabuafo wo de obabua ye ade bia mu ye ninkunim ne yensinkunim difo honhon konkron ne ye be yesu babua ye be fa bibia nu mu se waso mrase na bibia wie nkunim di a ye de anwonyam se be ma odin ye de wase so o me ye di nkunim ne ye sinkunim difo wonyame agya oba honhon konkron di mu ne ya bompa ye amen.
Amen. 03022166561 03022166562 no yeah Adom 106.3 unim baby amekenka no me se de wiase atumfo mu biara enhunu no na senke wo hunu ya anka wa mo animonyam wura no asenduemu adie bi wonu mesi wo wiase a ya na yadwene se ye de baba be se wiase ye de baba be sopa niema na nso ne nyankopon a oye nyansabu akwanyame no wode niema hinta nipa No, they are sending one in Munyanti. Bibi Piara, your name will be an when Yamo, the sending one in Munyamo. Ebusia. Men, dear, one name mono, and my white Jin Yaw Sansa, Bemani Jow, or Bani Jow, Yapamo, me Martinefi. In fact, in all our days of our lives, ye need holiday, say be that. Fena tinting. Bosume pare mi ansa, ye need be that. Say near them say, but say ya, and cow of your crank and Bible read the whole Bible quack and you. But you thought to say, oh, a baby, Yanyami answer. The Aka Yanim. Nancy demonstrations near the Kosovo, other countries, you know, Adiana Cress and for Kosovo. And so maybe ornament is a Germany say, and correct Tiffy and as will be a magic 300 euros, no money free. Yeah, you group had any be. Yeah, you hide any be. You need 6 times, Matissa. Tabayana, you benya be. Can correct Tiffy say, Nanka, ya Tracy Kais, a Momaje man quadano, Munye man quadano, your group, dear, you have to become a citizen of Ghana, Kurara. What benefit in this? Do you have a benefit at all? Huh? We are making we be troubles is here. But I'm talking about it. But you see, adie biara ewiase atumfo adwene ye bia. We don't know where this thing came from. But we see the ewiase atumfo mu biara enhunu na senku ohunu ya anka wa mo animonyam wura no asenuam. Over that out here say.
I'm saying more can I a tomb for about what tomb for power we are
rulers.
A tomb for we are super
rulers.
A bum.
So was over there, I will call her. So, my mom boka, whatever was is here. The one man so yes, what a man cheer so Yami Adom and count by just so Yamin show my Concro Ghana.
I'm sure my Concro Ghana.
Live at your one year.
The Porto Halima. Halima Sophia.
Alima. Ashapia.
Le Porto.
Okay.
Central region, Gomwa.
Okay. And now, sorry.
Le Porto, me a Muslim.
We are Muslim. Do you call mosque?
Le Porto.
And now, what was the experience? What was the feeling like?
Oh, me feeling fine.
Someone conquer Modemo, who bonus a yatati and Temusada.
Dabi. Young put ya, sorry. Our sir, no new fan, no Benkum. And sir, Betty, son Betty.
Okay.
No moon, Namoya, sorry, son, a eternity. No yatati and Temusano. Who will be sada?
Who will be sada? But said the Chinamono, Alima ultimate, dear.
It
will see BB free Mukakradie.
I'm sure BB room. That thing at the back of the
Thank you. I love that. Thank you, Alima. Thank you very much. I did be a serious Sibia Wadishia and Wahonum. Alima, what am I first caller? Thank you very much. The woman so Yami Adom Cow. Yeah, Yami Adom Cow.
It's already.
When you're good student, want to be on kind of years of you free so. Mammy, you free so the next person. And your woman so on Yami Adom and count.
I'm sure my Congo Ghana.
What to me a trap? Where much are your friends say?
What about
Kofi? Another echo chapel. Oh, sorry, Kofi. What number now? I cut. The woman so Yami Adom count.
I don't call man Conquer Ghana.
Yamin Shira,
man Conquer Ghana.
But your one year.
Did the cake travel famous because you are supposed to say Equia.
What's it?
We didn't the cake travel fair.
Catch it out, and no, sorry.
If I told you, be
and your baba, on count. One class, sorry, and then I didn't question maybe so better than we are. The woman so Yami Adom count.
I'm sure of my Congo Ghana.
About your one year.
But the cash being
Elder Cash, I don't know, you had it to Udino.
We did the elder and a cash being me drink a sepa of Yanni.
What your elder was sorry,
CAC.
And a cash being your friend was sorry.
Cash being and we didn't the amount of a cash being and our family because we company didn't know.
Okay, I know your company ding.
Bachai.
Kashigbe.
Kashigbe Musu.
Oh, Mesunda. Kashigbe.
Kashigbe.
Bebacho, and how could see
Bachai.
Okay, what was the feeling? What was the experience?
Oh, then there be okay. No more, I didn't miss you. No small very share now. My difference I can't be more about preaching no Tony idea. Now, I tell me, say, I did a boy and pass a reach more. Yes, I will from any idea. No, that you good papa say, you be sure now. The true corner still in South Korea at the end of the day. I be to my when you miss you, I have Jaden. Lessons. I don't mean you shall catch him and say, hey. Me by ya ba see any identity e ya hwenti tie mu so na e tete tie mu no wo be remu ade don't be tell test on ya dia no say you that thing some be catch ya ma
it ya the gun thermometer no ehwe wo ma so
mposan
aya e no mo de chira wo se ne wa yi ne tie ho
mpocha sa you no omo wie no omo na se asoma no obi an de na omo he na ye fine na se me obi an de ye fine na obi ani age
just omo chira obi a de so obi a de ye fine
no
mo wie mo de mo nsa chia na asa mo an chia
oh ye chia ye na say ye pin no ye so obi an san ho no nsa asa na okofie.
Thank you. Christopher Munimyansa. Vedase Kashebe. The one man so yami Adom Ahengua.
I mean so my conclusion.
Me ba cho when ye.
But you feel me pokuya me kata fitishi.
Ma pokuya eno akwa sorry.
The patchan.
Asori ban ya.
Christ Apostolic Church.
Hey, and CSC for my trousers sir. I see you. Aha. Also, me yes nti me chia no anti anya. I see you. Aha. Me apostle sorry the bomb so e wo bantoma enti ya na wo hono ne sa ne. E dia na usuandra.
Pacho ye ka say. Emra
wo de efri se wo wura asore dem no from gate ho no. And son, I will cut an sorry no. A dear pa, no ya, who be that.
Damn, Pacho, your awful Reverend Dr. George Asante. Why, dear, do me who be that?
A dear, why?
There's also premises when I first one room, sir.
Okay.
You would do in a show, Mamma, so second. Me, I should
oh, good.
Yeah, deal telephone number.
Good.
Me, I to say be a BBC or other person, that's any number.
Okay.
To run inside that. Now,
oh, to your side, you will be will fee a number say be a you bet me a contact. Oh, good.
So, we can all run inside. Urawa. No sanitize on. Sanitize and so down.
The down, Honibia.
But I don't know how to do some.
And 2 years, we don't say what I say, and I just feel.
I know nose mask.
Oh, wonderful. It's not nose mask as a shamunina.
The part of beer and it be a soft for your charm, mind beer or beer as your asset.
Wow.
It was very powerful.
It was very powerful. What did you now to Miss Akakra?
Oh, yes, I but to beer na
I know your friend stand dance. There's a poor fuka crowd now do actually and what to know Kobasa.
Oh, my idea, good. CSC for the beer was supposed to be alienating.
1 month, sorry, no, or Quasiada Ombra.
Your manifest to be
it is social distance in the year you might come home. Thank you very much. Thank you. These are some of the things on radio where you know be a senior baby. The one man so Yami Adom Ahengua.
Oyamisha on my Ghana.
Kofi die.
Eja.
I want to say was Swedro.
But me your pa.
No, sorry. Yes, you are that Roma. Can be you free so. And
me ya sorry and maybe Muzama for.
Oh, that's good. Muzama Disco Christo Church.
Ejanya sem ketwa.
Ma sorry ba kono no.
Eh, na
eja hopa.
Womu praises no womu ede CD na ball praises.
Oh, good.
Na womu jina fa ko na me say wo hwa ho keka na enya de obi ahụ kan obi a te places are CD na ebo umuwie almost saying the collection ni preaching by 20 minutes of the preaching.
It's a service ni nyina kosi ba yesai.
By 55 minutes.
It's 1 hour no kura enru.
Endu.
Wow.
Na ye pon ye na mi bi say nti say
say ye betumi aye way.
Emli bi betumi aba asafo. E betumi apon asori a don hwe ba ko nso ye de a.
Wow.
Na Bible ye say atro biemu a.
Wow.
Awo apanfufuro be say ababiem.
Wow.
Apanfufuro be say na eja esemi gidie din say ye kokko ye nimu a de ye ntumi anye mblibi etwemu no. Mblibi be ba ye betumi aye.
Thank you.
You bet me to travel a boss near the
Coffee before so sorry them was Swedrono. I want Muzama Hono, all Hro and Sa, one more sanitizer, one more day, your friend say, gun be extra womaso.
Bibi had an cream,
sir.
Now, who's a woman time for one class for them?
I hold you in Famba Blanco.
But Pabuano, your sister to say, social distance one Pabuano. Maybe a danu to the Ubana who question Pabua, who grand Kobe.
There's only baby on Pabuada, wouldn't baby on Pabuada.
Maybe on Pabuada.
There are lessons that we can learn out from this, ladies and gentlemen, and a family that you are watching and listening to me. And the son of me born Martin said, this is what we have to do, and to check from individuals how things went on. And why you're sorry more. Hey, Missy, yes, yes, for that as I can be Joseph. Yes, yet to for
offices. Museum, Maimu, Papa.
One more yard, dear. Ya no one
say. Nippon, we are the Tiano. When
the woman so you have one cow.
Well, I think so. Man, Ghana.
The batch of when you mirror.
At a body of thing.
You may batch and now call Chapela.
And now you're quite near to ya, you fast for the sorry.
Wonderful. I saw the Ben Alco.
Better Methodist Church,
Better Methodist Church, Kasua. Eti ya church mo say.
Senya the need in Sisi go akwemu no.
Okay.
No na omoni e kwadwenwen ho kwan e be fa so a ebedi embredi nyina so pepepe.
Okay.
Enti leaders no ekoye to ye sadia omoni be church members no.
Wow. Not just a Methodist one class, so ya the church said ye be ya yinano, ye be knowledgeable, na ye be ye hununisa next Sunday, ye qua sorry, ya unquanko from Quine. But I'll see be from Central Region. Line, I want for Abba Subebre, but my time. Okay, my men pick it back up because I didn't know he so embassy at the Kakra Ekahon. All right, Ofrata and Odifo Ba. Yeah, so tie dear and Nuanamo Kayan. Let us say, I dear be a serious Biano. And for one said the Eba at this young,
dear, from back. Many people said, if you walk on, see an Yama Esifa.
Yeah.
It's how road ye. And ya dear, just said, Ebia just obeyed him. And I call Ronsa. And I said, walk up, baby, so now opa. Maybe I'll Ronsa. And they walk unco you. What did you only you? They say, cry, maybe beside cry. Papa said, if you had me do fear, I didn't you know what they mo. Me a tap on train.
Oh, running in Oh, I want to.
And so, moment, if you be a tear, so the ordinary tea. You are no woman, we are mass.
What wrong? Who I want to?
I want to know. Just say, San, your mum, the P, you know.
Yes, no, me refia. Me Roman Honan Crown so more by James Debbie Meba. Nami Amako Hatton will cheer her. I can normally menyasa.
Debbie. Menyasa. Massage.
What's that, Gary?
Gary answer. Azama, Omaba.
And Crown about home. This old Gary answer.
She say, no, me baby you.
I didn't answer me about the most, and me, you, a BA. Mama Sofo.
Na amaya ye nurabafo. Amaya ni abieda. Wonyoma bebremu. Kan nyoma bi ana yenye. Sesi Awurade afasade so. Amaya hu se na sese ye. Yesiesie fie mpo. Se na nimpa obesi akora ho afa. Obesiesie ho. Wona o mampom entem ye fensen anyankofa eno kura tumi amma yatumi ye ne ye maka bom ene yatumi ya ka ne ntumi ye ne emma monkomompo sesi yatumi ne ye ma ebonkomo ye bibi anti ade na aboa yen ka ne na enim se enye nanso Awurade afasa ade so esiesie bebre na ye ntumi ye na yatumi ye
Yentumi enye die ni enye bida die ni ensua bida no erunti ena de Paul kan ye be pese wo sade efa wadwene se de wiasi etumfo mu biara enhunu no na senka ohunu ya enka wammo animunyam wura no asendua emu.
But the other aspect about a tumfo they say enye bone so obi otumfo ana owo that
dikamfo
ye dikamfo enye bone. It's sad nyame aye no se wiase no ebi be ye tumfo sa but se o ma hunu de nyame aye wo mu no ehunu se de wose de ye adwuma na mo wase wo mo fa no kwan bi se ye be kan kofo bi ahye sa tumi ni kura no ye de be di sebe atumi di sem ama kofo tutrasem kofo ho no mo
ye dwesi ye de se wo bi
kofo bi wo ye fi se ase yen no ba bi a ye nya no womo no otumi nuru ho ye be kan wo hye na aso mo hye bredu kura yen na se wo mu ni ho no mo a ye ntumi emmeki in life no eno ene ha adwene because no mo nim se wo mo kan mutumi na na ni pa wo mo ye tia no wo ye onimunyam ni because if they have known that
said ye ni ye nyina na ye oye onimunyamfo enya no nko a na esa bagye ye mu bi nso afiri bani tumi ase senka Yesu engu ansori a wengu ansori a abusia minim de ebia ene ye wo ba ye braso ye de ye be sori yakọ ba de wo femu bia na triase ne hunu se wo mo mutade ye wachiri no they don't know what the out wo mo pie wo de wakọ baby but wo mo no de wo mo nim wo wura sikani bi wo kroma aka asem bi wo se nka ubenya wo mo criticize wo abrabo mo no enka ubenya ye atua wonka if it's wo criticism no wo mo bua ama wetumi aye wo niema yie asade wo niema atutu ye. Is somebody criticizing you? Is somebody bringing you down? As will be depressed or suppressed there be you any part of our bua wo de wo na see ye eno pay eno ne yedi jawo ye de Awurade jawo say de oni pay ye biara no Awurade mfa so na omfa enye wuyi onyame agya oba na sonson konkron edemo amen. Madam Fupa Bakon, Dr. Mark Asante, or Germany, Bottrop, Germany, or Dr. Penino, Madam for Dr. of Germany, Bano, ne Papa Efremo, Mamma, ne Mame, ne Busiani, na Shade, Openini Emos Asante, Apenten, Friday, Namubedi, Nena, Watcheda. Ente mama ebusuane nyina aja Emos Asante Apenten mema ebusuane nyina sheden. Happy birthday to Pastor Richard Ubri of Positive Gospel Church, Banana Inn. God bless you from Israel and Akosia Spencer Forson. Ebusuane me de wosi ana manyame eya adom na odom fo odom ye ne a. Sa adwuma de kai ne hono se eye patos for na ebo ho ka. Patos AIB woman a Centoi enwa ye sanitizer says ye sanitizer na ye disinfect yen emia ye we no wo me company kase a mbetumi abo fumigation o mo ye mane ye fe kura dodo enwa ye ne wo mo ebehia na o mo kyerɛkyerɛ se ne o mo ye o madwuma abusua wo so betumi afro 054 111 0136 eye Cento wo mo enro ne a wo mo de maye no hawo ne amane bia ne ho FDA for krampa agiatum many years ago. Good morning. Me da se wonya bre na wona me esomoye but ya some de say no na bejawo hye onyamensa na bejawo ma abrantie owura krache ajata wono so awonta no wonfa wontu na me say na owonsem bebra wono obedwendwene ho be ka sage we dey bombay
mama me ukwada
kwaku one president I see kwaku